Now we're going to do a cat-cow with a thread the needle. You set up into a position where your hips are right above your knees, your hands are right above your shoulders. And the very first thing you do is retract your chin a little bit, round your back, pushing your hands into the floor. And you're going to hold. So then relax. And then round again. And then relax. Now this is where we add the needle part. So you're going to take one hand with your palm up, slide it through the other hand, underneath the other hand, and drop your shoulder and your head to the floor. And then at this point, take this hand here and push it into the floor, which will force you to rotate your body a little bit more. And just hold for a couple of seconds. And then relax. Coming up, we'll do the other side. Lower your body, turn a little bit, and then take that hand, push into the floor so you twist it a little bit more. Then relax. Now that's one repetition. So we're going to do 8 total. So let's round. 1. Blow out when you round your back. Push your hands into the floor. 2. Good. Let's go ahead and drop the hand down. Reach as far as you can. Heads down to the floor. Take your hand, push into the floor. And then relax. We'll do the other side. Switch and reach. Reach, reach, reach. Push that hand into the floor, rotating your spine a little more. Relax. That's 2. Blow out, round your back. Push your hands into the floor. And relax. Push your hands into the floor again. Relax. Slide through. Head to the floor. Push into the floor. Blow out. And switch. Sides. Blow out. Relax. Let's do this again. Blow out. Blow out. Breathe in. Let's go. Slide through. Push into the floor. And then switch. And push into the floor. Relax. That was 4. So this is getting not only flexion and extension in your spine, but rotation as well. Good. Rotate. And push in. And switch sides. Rotate. And push into the floor. That's 5. Let's do it again. 1 and 2. Good. Let's rotate. Push into the floor. And let's rotate to the other side. Feel that stretch in your lumbar, in your thoracic spine. Or right here. Okay, let's do the 6th one. So, rotate. Push into the floor. And switch. Rotate. Push into the floor. Come on up. 2 more. Push in. Rotate. Push into the floor. And switch. Relax. 1 more. So push in. And let's rotate again. Last time here. Push into the floor. and switch. Good.